Hello friends, in the process of using block machines for production, it is very important to maintain the equipment, especially the maintenance of oil points. Today we will provide a detailed explanation on how to maintain oil points. 1. Mixer. For mixer model JQ350 and JQ500, the reduction box needs to be filled with gear oil. It should be noted that sufficient oil must be injected before use. For JS500, JS750, etc., the discharge door of the mixer needs to be filled with Model 1 hash or 2 hash lithium ester. The main function is to prevent the material door from getting stuck. The gear of JS model mixer needs to be filled with Model 1 hash or 2 hash lithium ester. Apply it evenly and once a day. 2. Block making machine. The sliding sleeve needs to be filled with 1 hash or 2 hash lithium ester. By using oil gun every 2 to 3 days, the bearing seat of the hopper discharge belt also need to be filled with 1 hash or 2 hash lithium ester by using oil gun every 2 to 3 days. In addition, for model QT15 block machine, the subframe guide pillar need to be filled with 1 hash or 2 hash lithium ester every 2 to 3 days by using oil gun. The crankshaft also need to be filled with 1 hash or 2 hash lithium ester every 2 to 3 days by using oil gun. 3. Material feeder box. The material feeding box bearing needs to be filled with 1 hash or 2 hash lithium ester every 2 to 3 days by using oil gun. The track material feeding box needs to be filled with 1 hash or 2 hash lithium ester every 2 to 3 days by using oil gun. 4. Stacker. The bearing seat of the stacker needs to be filled with 1 hash or 2 hash lithium ester every 2 to 3 days by using oil gun. The ordinary reducer of the stacker needs to be filled with 200 hash gear oil, half a tank each time, and check it once a month. The turbine reducer of the stacker needs to be filled with oil 1.5 to 2 kilograms each time, and check once a month. 5. Block conveyor. The bearing seat of block conveyor needs to be filled with 1 hash or 2 hash lithium ester every 2 to 3 days by using oil gun. The reducer of block conveyor motor needs to be filled with oil and replaced once a month. 6. Automatic pallet feeder. The bearing seat of automatic pallet feeder needs to be filled with 1 hash or 2 hash lithium ester every 2 to 3 days by using oil gun. 7. Cement screw conveyor device. The screw conveyor needs to be filled with 1 hash or 2 hash lithium ester every 2 to 3 days by using oil gun. The refueling hole of the reducer needs to be filled with 220 hash gear oil to kg each time every month. 8. Batching machine. N46 mechanical oil needs to be filled before first using, and the amount of oil should be 2/5 of the diameter of the drum. Do not add gear oil. The above is all. If it is only used without paying any attention to maintenance, it will break down and have to be shut down for maintenance, even if it is a good hydraulic equipment. Therefore, daily maintenance and inspection are particularly important. If you are interested in block making machines, please contact us, and we will provide you with high-quality products and services.